Probably going to be a short video today. Got to put in the passenger side seatbelts. I've got some Sparco racing 6-point racing harnesses. Been still working on some of the wires. Well, I haven't. Should be finished fairly soon. Also been looking into going to a track to get some running done in the car. Need to get the handbrake and front brakes bedded in. Someone told me that could be the problem I'm having with the handbrake. They're just not bedded in. That when the brackets were welded onto the axle, they may be slightly one way or the other, and you're not getting full contact to the pad. So I've got my Sparco harnesses. They're very long, so they're going to need to be shortened. I think I'm going to start with the shoulder straps, just get them on the bar. So the first thing I need to do is remove this latch from the shoulder straps. Installing the harnesses aren't too bad. It just takes a little bit of time to get them all the right lengths. After that, it's mainly the thing that takes up the most time is taking them in and out. So the way I've mounted these shoulder straps, the distance from the back of the chair to the bar that they're wrapped around is just below 500 mil. So if they were above 500 millimeters, you'd have to cross the straps over. Might still have to do it depending on the hands device. That's the hardest part of putting the actual belts in, is the 2 shoulder straps. The other 4 mounting points are all latches. Alright, that went a lot quicker than I expected. So when I put the crotch belt and the 2 lap belts in, I kind of just shortened them a little bit to get them closer to what I thought they'd need to be. Put them in and test fitted them, and they were actually perfect. 2 shoulder belts need to be shortened a little bit, by about, well, quite a bit, by about 17 centimeters each side, but they're all done now. So what I need to do is put the split pins in to the latches on each side, just so that they can't come off accidentally. I don't know how they would, they're a fairly strong latch. And then roll up the ends of the belt. I'm not going to show that on camera because it's dark in the car, there's a lot of shade in it, and it's under the seats. So this is what I was talking about with the split pin. There's a small hole in the latch there. You just push the split pin through, spread it out, and it stops it from being able to open.